Hello everyone. So we finally arrived at the Web Summit. It's the first day yet, so we are starting. They are starting things out with receiving the badge, getting acquaintance to the place, to the city, to Lisbon. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice trip, and I'm gonna try to look out for investments, met new people in the tech development area, and see everything that we have to see here. So hope you guys enjoy everything that I'm gonna bring to the YouTube channel with the Web Summit related stuff, and it's gonna be nice, I hope. So I'm gonna do some shots around the Web Summit place when I'm in the areas, in the pavilions inside of the Web Summit event, and I'm gonna try to show a lot of stuff that I think it will be cool to bring to the YouTube channel and talk about my plans. Yeah. See ya. Hello everyone. We are still waiting for the main event to open up. It's almost 3 p.m. here in Portugal. And yeah, we had lunch. We visited some shops at the Vasco da Gama shopping center, and uh, basically right now we are just making time pass by so we can enter the main event, explore inside, do some shots as well. And yeah, this is the first day. It's the day that takes most time to start, because the next days will start like as soon as 10 a.m. So yeah, this is the day that starts latest in my opinion, but it is what it is. We are having fun, and yeah, we are in at least from the first line. Now we are going to the second line. Let's go. Hello. So right now we are at the food station, at one of the food parts of the Web Summit. But I think today it will be open because of the opening night that we are going to attend. And yeah, I don't know what to expect, honestly. I thought the main the other stages would be open, but from what the organization told us, today they are not going to be open. So it sucks. Yeah. Pessoal, estamos aqui com o Luan, encontramos-lo no Web Summit, estamos na fila de espera e vamos ter aqui uma pequena conversa, nós dois, sobre o que é que estamos à espera do evento, o que é que viemos cá fazer, as expectativas que temos sobre este mesmo evento. Portanto, vou começar por te fazer uma pergunta, que é: o que é que estás mesmo à espera com este evento?
É a minha primeira vez aqui no Web Summit e o objetivo é de conectar com as pessoas, conhecer as pessoas aqui ao longo de todo o evento e, claro, entender um pouco mais do universo do futuro. Eu busco estudar o futuro, tendências e como se aplica isso, principalmente nos negócios, nas organizações, que é onde eu venho, de onde eu vim. E o objetivo aqui é conectar e entender um pouco mais sobre esse futuro e como aplicar isso no dia a dia, seja para o lado pessoal ou seja para o lado profissional.
E a nível do teu background, o que é que achas que podes trazer para as pessoas que estão a participar no Web Summit? O que é que consegues partilhar com as pessoas que participam?
A gente tem trabalhado muito a transformação digital.
Vamos andando e vamos gravando.
A gente tem trabalhado muito a transformação digital nos negócios, nas organizações. E a nossa expertise da empresa onde eu atuo, que é a TD Business. A TD Business ela vem hoje auxiliando grandes organizações em transformação digital. E a ideia é que eu poder conectar com as pessoas nas diversas dimensões, seja de experiência do usuário, seja de dados, tomada de decisão em dados, estratégia. Acho que o objetivo é falar um pouquinho de tudo e a gente participar agora da abertura.
Ok. Eu espero que te divirtas muito neste evento. Eu já estive cá há 2 anos atrás, tive uma experiência diferente também daquilo que estava à espera e espero também conseguir dar o meu parecer e também te ter indicado algumas coisas que vão acontecer, o que é que podes ou não fazer aqui dentro, porque vai haver mesmo muita coisa e agora vamos ter de entrar. Portanto, espero mesmo que possas aproveitar e eu vou tentar mesmo partilhar o máximo de conteúdo.
Vamos avançando, se faz favor.
E é isso, vamos.
Quer fazer depois?
Podemos continuar depois. Então continuamos depois e agora vamos lá para o evento ver o que há. So we finally enter the main stage of Websummit. Hello. We are here. Hopefully this year my camera doesn't fall on the head of someone. Hopefully. So yeah, we are. I think it's recording. Yeah, we are here. We are right now seated. We are waiting for the Prime Minister of Portugal, and I don't know. It's the President of Lisbon, I think. I don't know. It's what's called in English. Yeah. So we were and the founder of Websummit. They will talk, and they will do the opening night. Finally, we are here. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Really.
And you know, the story of Lisbon, to get to the point of being the capital of innovation of Europe, is a little bit like the story of so many of you. Right? It's a story of belief, it's the story of discipline, and it's the story of audacity. Belief because when we said that we wanted to be that capital of innovation,
good afternoon. What a great image. Welcome to Lisbon, European Innovation Capital. And today, World Startup Capital. Welcome to Portugal, Europe's West Coast. 500 years ago, the Portuguese navigated.
AI is the most profound technology, more profound than fire or electricity.
Alan Turing predicted the default outcome is the machines take control. The machines take control.
Thank you, Patty.
Hello, everyone. Now we ended up the first day of the event. We listened up to the Prime Minister, to the Minister of Lisbon, uh, and now after that we listened up to a new startup that raised 600 million, I think, in capital to convert CO2 to jet fuel. And I think that the talk was a really great idea for innovation and changing up our landscape. But one of my concerns that like I can talk in those type of scenarios, but one of my concerns will be like if we extract all of the CO2 out of the atmosphere, uh, will it be a bad thing? Because like if we only have oxygen, is it a good thing? Because honestly, I don't think so. Because as we know in our world, having too much of something is not great, right? Because if you drink too much water, you die as well. So we need to like find balance when pursuing those dreams of having clean fossil fuel. Uh, and yeah, that's my take on that. The other talk that we listened to was talking about sorry, talking about AI and the roles of AI, and we listened to the co-founder of Again Face. Was a great talk, but uh, there are some concerns in the AI industry, in my opinion, because we really are lacking in terms of responsibility of tools that you build or things that you use AI for. People tend to forget the responsibility and just tend to create, and in a way they will kind of mess up our vision or our understanding of the human world or the world that we live in. And I think people need to take care of regulations for AI, as one of the panel members talked about, because I really agree with him. We need to regulate AI before we can't control it. Maybe we will never control it in a sense, but we should do everything in our power to prevent it going the wrong direction. And that's my take on it. This last uh, talk that we listened to, uh, careful. The last talk that we listened to was really nice. I wasn't thinking too much about it. It was Pharrell Williams. Uh, honestly, I wasn't considering it to do a great talk, and in the end, the talk that he gave us, that every one of us has the light to do something in a way to shape our future, the human future. And he said he was pro humanity, and I really take that into my heart, because if people are pro humanity, what are they doing in here? Honestly, if they are trying to create some devil or some sort of anti-human organization, we shouldn't follow them. And yeah, it was kind of controversial for my view, but he was really good because he is pro humanity, and that's all that counts for me. At the end of the talk that Pharrell Williams gave, he said that if you don't use your power for good, in a way, you are just a waste of space. And yeah, that's true. If you don't use your light or your energy to create something that will shape our future in a positive way, uh, I think we tend to mess up the human life. And honestly, why are you doing something that wouldn't contribute to our world. Just don't do it. Hey everybody, now we are going to have dinner because we need to eat. It's like 8, and we have a lot of spaces here. You can see them. A lot of food booths, food trucks, and you can see back there, right? Um, I think, yeah, the food here in Portugal, I really enjoy it since I'm a Portuguese. Uh, and by the way, you can look here. There's the moon. Don't forget to go check out Chase Me to the Moon. Yeah, and don't forget to play the game, enjoy, and share with friends because that's what we are here for, to enjoy life and have fun. So see you on the next day.